Go, go, go. Sige, lahat kayo. Akyat baba. Atiti. Oh, saan ka? Okay. Wala pa naman, te. Baba kayo, daan-daan. Ipipicturan ko kayo. Naka-video yan, ha. Oh, kunyari, slow motion ba? Magpakuha tayo sa kanila mamaya. Nagpakuha din ako sa kanila. Tapos, pwede kuhanan mo kami, te? Yeah. Ito lang, oh. Pag ganun, ito lang pinaka-video kasi yan. Yun lang siya. Okay. Ay, magbaba tayo dahan-dahan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ba kayo magaganyan?
Ano nga, yung parang ano lang.
Parang ano lang, parang okay, casual walking. Okay.
Kayo naman, te.
Sige. Salamat.
Okay. Saan yung picture niyo? Okay. Andali. Dahil kasi picturean ko sila.
Okay. Ate Melinda.
Okay.
Ready na
Hindi
to,
masyado makita. Pero,
ay, baka mahulog. Okay. Sige. Kayo, te.
Oh, ano na?
Thank you.
Wala kayong phone?
Ano na?
Meron.
Sige, ito maganda. Sige.
Okay. Marami na.
Okay, ikaw naman doon, te. Doon sa tabi nila Ate Melinda. Oh, ayaw mo. Okay. Done. Forward. What is in the side? What is inside?
It's the Parliament of Quebec.
Oh, so we need to buy the ticket before we can go inside?
All free, but you
okay.
need physical ID. And in this moment, the blue room and the red room are in the renovation, so there's not too much to see inside.
Oh, okay.
So
when we go inside, it's free, just we need the ID or...
physical ID, driver license, passport.
But now it's renovation.
The most interesting part are not available.
What we can see inside there right now?
Some pictures, some painting.
Oh, okay. So maybe next time, right?
Maybe next time.
It's not the right time.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you.
You have a lot to see in the...
Where? Where we can go?
Did you saw the cathedral?
Not yet, just because our bus just came, so drop off and then in 45 minutes come back. We are going to stay in the Delta Hotel and then maybe later just we can walk going around here. So what is the good spot that we can go?
Maybe the cathedral.
Where is that?
It's this way. You go down and you're gonna turn and you're gonna see a church.
Oh, just we going? Can we go by
down.
walking?
Yeah.
So it's far, the falls, huh? The falls is far. The falls.
The falls.
Yeah.
The
falls that the water is come down.
How
far?
You can go to the falls by walking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's
so which side? In this side?
The fall. I don't know which fall.
The one that have a bridge and then you can.
Yeah,
it's far.
You need a bus or.
Okay. Because one time, but long time ago, we go there.
It's like maybe 2 hours, 3 hours.
Wow! Oh, it's far.
Yeah.
It's far, but the cathedral is where. What's the name?
Montmorency. Is it?
Montmorency. I'm not sure what's the name in there. So, but the cathedral, just we're going there and then just walk going in there?
Yeah, there's much to see. There's the Chateau Frontenac.
Shuttle bus? Oh, they have shuttle. So, we're walking from there and going
this way. Yeah.
Oh, this way.
Okay, let's go.
Not now. Later because anyway, thank you. Kasi balik na tayo mamaya ba pag maglakad na tayo galing sa ano sa after pwede tayo maglakad doon daw sa baba. Ito isa-isa kayo doon Ate, kunyari nagwala tayo, halika rito.
Sa akin nakaharap.
Saan? Okay, ulit. Kuhanan mo kami dito rin sa akin. Picture lang ay naka-video yan. Ti, halika. Saan ito ito manila? Kunyari, nagwala tayo. Ganun ganun. Tapos bigla tayo nila.
Okay,
So,
magbalik pa naman tayo.
15 minutes lang daw. Diyan tayo dadaan. Diyan tayo daw dadaan din. Pupunta sa katedral. Diyan tayo dadaan. 15 minutes walk lang daw. Ay, ate, magawa tayo ngayon. Dito daw mag-walk lang daw tayo. 15 minutes lang pababa yung katedral.
Ano daw?
Hindi yan sentahan.
Hindi sintan. Dito, malayo yung sintan. Dito, bababa, tapos pagbaba, yun na ang katedral. Tapos yung sintan at saka yung falls, 2 hours pa yun with bus.
Ay, hindi na tayo pupunta doon.
I'm not sure.
Hindi na.
Kasi mamaya mag-tour bus. Te, picture tayo dito. Te, nagpipicture ka? O, te. Picture ka, te. Ito na lang sa akin, te, gamitin mo. Ito lang, i-click mo, te, yung ano na yan.
Ganito lang, hindi makita yung ano.
Ay, pwede mo ipatayo. Ali, dalawa muna tayo.
One, two, three, smile. Action. 1, 2, 3, action. Wow.
Action daw.
1, 2, 3, action. Nako, para ka nakatatae.
Oh. Ako man, picturean mo ako sa...
Sige, okay. Thank you. Dito daw tayo, tayong sunod. Hindi kasama tayo sa isang grupo. Ikaw muna. Go. Ate, urong muna tinang konti si Ate Mary Jane magsolo. Ay, maganda nakukuha siya, te.
Anong pa? Yan, ganyan.
Ganyan. Ay, video man to. Ay, ganyan lang, no? Okay, te. Kami sunod.
Kami na?
Okay.
Dito na kami.
Dito ba? Gusto namin dito, Tisiluhan mo ako, te, ng ganyan din. Yung kay ate. Yung makuha siya din lahat.
Patayo mo rin.
Dapat patayo.
Kaya nga.
Magbaliktad na naman to mamaya.
Okay, ready?